Nala's butt. Nala's butt. Ah, babe, I don't want to wear those trousers.
Excuse me, bitch.
Were you dreaming about your girlfriend again? What? Oh, hey, Cinnamon. Yes, I was. You are one lucky husky to have a girlfriend like Nala. Yep, that's what people always say to me. My girlfriend is so gorgeous, bro. Anyways, so's mine, and you and Nala are the cutest, definitely the cuter couple.
What are y'all doing?
I'm sorry, Miss.
Well, who are you?
My name is Hutch, and you look like Blue from Rio's crackhead mother. Her name is Berry, as in Berry, and she lives with us rent-free. What the fox said.
Thank you, Cinnamon, and you look like you look like a character from Conker's Bad Fur Day that was rejected at the last minute.
I will peck you. Uno reverse card, bit.